think I know what this is. I think I know what this is. Let's do an unboxing. It's bigger than me. Let's get into it, literally. It's fragile, so I'm shaking. My heart is beating so fast right now. I see something pink. Wait. What in the world is this? I made sure not to see like anyone else's unboxing it because I wanted to be surprised myself, so I have no idea what this is, but thanks to this. Oh my god. It's a suitcase. Wow. It is a freaking suitcase. What? All right, I'm gonna take it out of this thing. How do I even do that? I'm gonna take this sleeve off. Duh, it was Velcro. I'm so dumb. Oh my goodness. I did it! This is amazing. I have a new suitcase. I think this is hopefully for a carry-on. I haven't even gotten to the inside part and I'm freaking out already. Oh. I need a minute. What? There's a box and a suitcase. I need water. I'll be right back. I'm speechless. Like, this is perfection in every way. Like, they did such a good job. Okay, so this is like the first season photo shoot and then these are like her photo shoot from like throughout the years, I guess. This is season 1, of course, and season 4. And then I think on this side is, yeah, season 3, and then there's more on the back. Season 1, 3, and then 4. So that's really cool. I like how they do that like around the box. That's really, really cute. Oh my god. Is this a signed copy of the first episode, the pilot episode? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get into all of this. Is a signed copy of the pilot episode signed by Miley herself. This is, am I really holding this? It's hard to believe it's been 20 years since Hannah Montana first premiered. What started as a simple TV show became something so much bigger. Thanks to the fans who sang the songs, wore the wigs, and kept the spirit of Hannah alive. To celebrate, we put together a few fun things to help you enjoy the Hannahversary. Miley said Hannahversary, they say anniversary. It's called the Hannahversary special when it premieres March 24th on Disney Plus and Hulu. Inside you'll find Hannah-inspired accessories, sweet treats, sweet niblets, and beauty favorites from Maybelline, which I actually already got from Maybelline, so thank you so much. But I'd love to have double as always, so I don't know. Thanks to a few friends who helped make this box possible, including Base for the iconic suitcase holding all the goodies together in Stony Clover Lane, and Little Words Project for the playful accessories inspired by Hannah's signature style. Thank you for keeping the music, memories, and magic of Hannah Montana alive with us all. Stony Clover. Love this pouch. Have a baby lips. Is Little Words Project. These cute little bracelets. We have a Maybelline lipstick in Fit Check and lipstick. We have some sweet candy, some more lipsticks. We have mascaras, some popcorn. We have a microphone. Oh my god. We have a microphone. This is amazing. Disney went all out. Cute, look, she has a little pop Hannah Montana figurine. Oh my god. A Hannah Montana t-shirt. Love this. I love this as like loungewear and even to wear outside too, but yeah, I love these for like pajamas at night. Oh my god, keychain. The Stony Clover keychain, oh my god. No, you don't have to get it on Stony Clover. Thank you. What? This is a Hannah Montana pop socket. Oh my god, this is a scarf. This is a scarf. This is the wig. Oh my god. I can't right now. Okay, I need to process all this for a second. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.